Hello and welcome to Motion Time. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this kinetic text in Apple Motion. First thing we need to do is let's add a text on our canvas. I'm gonna put it in a group, Command-Shift-N. Okay, after that, let's add a rectangle on our group. So R. And then put it down below our text. Let's adjust a little bit. Okay. So the purpose of this rectangle is for the tile filter. So for now, let's turn off the fill option or fill opacity, I mean. And then let's group this again. So Command-Shift-N and put this text inside that new group. Select Fix Resolution. And then let's put or add the tile filter. So filters, tiling, tile. Okay. Then let's adjust the scale in the tile filter. Now let's add a mask so that we only covers this middle part. So Option R on your keyboard and add a mask here. Okay, so earlier I've talked about the rectangle here. If we don't have this rectangle, for example, you can see that there's no spacing between the tiles on our text. That's why we need to add this fill and turn off the fill opacity so that we have this spacing between the tile. So next step is let's clone this group and turn off the main layer or the main group earlier. Now we have this clone layer. Let's replicate this. So press L on your keyboard. Let's put this on a group, the replicator. Command-Shift-N. The next thing we need to do here on the replicator controls is select the 3D or check the 3D box. After that, select the shape, go to sphere. For the arrangement, select outline. After doing that, we need to change the row to 1. And then on the cell controls, let's check the align angle. Here on the radius, let's adjust so that our texts are far from each other, or our replicates are far from each other. And then on this group, let's add a sphere filter. So filters, distortion, sphere. So we have now this sphere. To adjust the text in our sphere, we need to adjust the parameters here on the tile. So let's do that. For the X, I'm gonna add a parameter behavior rate. And then here, maybe negative 0.10. Or maybe 0.10. Okay, 0.10. Then the next thing we need to do is let's go back to our replicator group. Then let's add a filter, distortion, and tiny planet. After adding the tiny planet filter, we need to change our replicator group to 3D. After that, on our sphere filter, let's adjust the radius so that we have this kind of thing, or two planets together. And then to animate this, because earlier we already animated the tile so that it moves like this, we can animate the X, Y, Z rotation on our tiny planet. So to do that, let's add another rate behavior in one of each, or it depends on you which one you like. So I'm gonna maybe Y, yeah, for Y. So I'm gonna click here on the right side, add parameter behavior rate, then maybe -10, -10, let's see. So -10 is quite slow. Let's make it -50. So I think that's much better. So that's how to do the simple kinetic text here in Apple Motion. I hope that you learned something interesting on this lesson. Thank you and see you again next time.